Hi, I'm Anna at Glo Skin Beauty, and this is a quick guide to our Lift Theory EGF repairing duo. Add a dual dose of age-defying vegan epidermal growth factor, aka EGF, to your daily skincare routine with this full-size duo of our best-selling BioRenew EGF drops and cream. Powered by EGF, a youth-boosting ingredient that signals cell repair and renewal for renewed radiance, this duo also features a multi-peptide complex and hyaluronic acid to help strengthen and restore skin's barrier for a plumper, firmed effect. Both are clinically proven to reduce the appearance of wrinkles, fine lines, and dark spots in just 30 days or less. And they make the perfect pairing to support post-treatment or procedure skin recovery. Apply 4 to 6 drops of BioRenew EGF drops to freshly cleanse skin. Follow with BioRenew EGF cream to firm and rejuvenate skin. Use both up to twice daily for visible results and for post-treatment skin to support the healing process.
This kit features 2 of my personal favorite products, so I can't say enough good things about it. Even if you have sensitive skin, this is so reparative. If you want to target signs of aging, these are the 2 products that'll do it.